Hey everybody, today I wanted to make a quick video talking about my 2014 Honda CRF, all the stuff I've done to it, and what my favorite stuff is. I've seen a lot of lists, but I feel like they missed some things. So this is the bike. It's got about 12,500 miles on it. It's riding on these Shinko 705s. It actually goes off-road decently well, not nearly as a real knobby, but it also crushes a lot of highway miles. So I'll start off with my favorite mods, and then we'll just kind of show you everything we got. So by far the best mod for a first generation CRF250L is going to be a gear indicator. So with the simple dashes on these first generations, you miss out on the tachometer and the gear indicator, but as you can see from this one, when I start it up, you'll see how it counts through all the gears, and it has never missed a beat on me. It's amazing. The only thing is, it's not going to be like a factory gear indicator where when you pull in the clutch and start banging down gears coming to a red light or something like that, it's not going to keep track and count down 6, 5, 4. When the clutch is in, it goes to just a dash line, but it's never messed up what gear I'm in. Super helpful, so you don't keep shifting up when you're already in 6th. Second favorite mod is going to be these are the Alpina Cycle Fire little fog lights. So you can see I made a independent video showing how to put those on. So that's one of my favorites. I just flipped over these little reflector mounts and put these on. They're nice and small. They don't drain too much battery, and you can kind of point them how you want them, so they're pretty nice. Next would be, these are the Zeta handguards. In hindsight, I would probably just do Tusk ones, because they'd be a lot cheaper, but I wanted the option to mount turn signals in them here, so as you can see, I did not do that. But those are some. And then these next ones come from eBay, and they're amazing. This one is just a radiator guard. It's solid like steel. You can knock the bike over and it's really going to hold up and keep you from destroying that radiator. This bottom skid plate is really good. It's simple to take off. You can see it gives nice coverage on the side of the engine. It must be a factory second or something, and that's how they sell them so cheap on eBay. But highly recommend on eBay, grab yourself one of these radiator guards, one of these skid plates, and then just for fun, I got one of these to see how it was. It's kind of nice because it holds the kind of foot of your kickstand really well. I think it was about 10 bucks. It doesn't color match exactly to all the other anodized parts. I'm fine with the stock brake lever, but I hate the stock shifting lever. This one is the Tusk replacement, and I just wanted one that has a spring-loaded piece to it. And then I've got the tail tighty. I've got one of these racks on the back, which is just a cheap eBay part. And then a little bit of bling on the engine. The drain, this one doesn't really matter. The stock piece is plastic, which kind of sucks, and so I put the Zeta one on just because I didn't want a plastic piece there. But really not that big of a fan of anodized parts. And then I also did the drain bolt. You probably can't see it, but the drain bolt was done, and that's just because the stock one doesn't have a magnet in it, but the Zeta one does, so I thought it was a worthwhile upgrade. So that's all the stuff I've done to this CRF. Let me know what's your favorite. My favorite is definitely the gear indicator. Get it off eBay for about 25 bucks. And then all you do is plug it into the ECU down here. Really simple, and it's never skipped a beat for me. So thanks.